ありったけの夢をかき集め探し物を探しに行くのさ One Piece
Congratulations to everyone for their consistency in following the One Piece Python series. Your dedication and commitment to learning and exploring the world of Python programming are truly commendable. Keep up the great work, and let's continue this amazing journey together. These are the statements and description for if-else statement. Let's start with the if statement. The if statement is used to test a specific condition. If the condition is true, a block of code, if block, will be executed. For example, imagine you're on a journey like the Straw Hat Pirates, and you need to decide whether it's time to set sail or not. You'd look at the weather conditions, right? That's like an if statement in programming. You're checking a specific condition, like, is the weather sunny? If it's true, you set sail. If it's false, you might stay at the island for a while. Now let's talk about the if-else statement. In the world of One Piece, it's like deciding whether to explore an island or not. If you're curious and brave, you'll explore it. That's your if moment. But what if it's a dangerous island with a skull and crossbones? You might want to leave, right? That's the elsey part. So, in programming, you have your if for exploration and else for turning back. If the condition is true, you're brave, you explore. If it's false, too dangerous, you avoid it. Now, I will show you a clip, and you guys decide if we are brave or scared of dangerous islands. Let's go!
広い墓場だ。雰囲気あるな。おい、ここで弁当食おう。
バカ、こんなところで食ったら飯がまずくなる。
いや、ここで食う。飯がまずくなったことなんて一度もねえ。
いや、それはお前だけだろ。それに急いでんだ。俺たちは。
Yeah, so that was our Captain Luffy. We never back down from an adventure. Finally, let's dive into nested if statements. Imagine you're on an island, and you need to make more decisions. For example, you might find a treasure chest. What do you do next? You have an if-else situation within another if situation. So you might think, if the treasure chest is locked, if, I'll try to open it. Nested if. If I succeed, if inside if. Great. But if it's booby-trapped, else inside if. I better run away. Else inside else. I know, this was a little confusing, so I will show this with coding that I told you now. So, we have opened our VS Code now. First, let's get input from the user to determine if the treasure chest is locked. So we have created a variable treasure chest is locked. Let's define an input function now. We will get input as yes or no from the user. Now, if the treasure chest is locked is equal to yes, so we'll proceed to check for booby traps. We'll define a variable named successfully opened chest and take an input as yes or no. If successfully opened chest is equal to yes, then print we have found the treasure. If not successfully opened, Write an else statement and print it's a booby-trapped. Now write an else statement if the treasure chest is not locked. Print treasure chest is not locked, you can open it safely. So, this is our code for if and else statement. Now let's run the code and see what it does. It's asking me if the treasure chest is locked, let's say yes. Let's go for yes again.
Oh yeah, we have found the treasure!
Now run the code as many times you want and play with it. Now, have you understood what's if-else statement? If not, comment below your queries, and I'll help you all. You might be thinking why there is double equal to sign. So those are operators in Python programming language. Here are the different types of operators and their description, go through them. You might have also noticed lower function that is nothing but a function. Make the word into lowercase, same for uppercase. So now let's give you all a practice question which I'll be solving in the next episode. In this scenario set in the One Piece world, you stumble upon a mysterious devil fruit that can bestow one of 3 incredible abilities: fire manipulation, invisibility, or super strength. Your task is to write a Python program that allows a user to select one of these powers by entering a number: 1 for fire manipulation, 2 for invisibility, 3 for super strength. After receiving the user's choice, the program uses if-else statements to provide a corresponding message based on their selection. For instance, if the user chooses 1, the program will display a message like, "You now possess the power of fire manipulation, just like Ace." It's a fun and interactive way to bring a touch of One Piece adventure to programming, while practicing variables, data types, if-else statements, and user input in Python.